So basically, if I take an example, I can take an example of mine only. I am a businessman. I run a design studio, and I am a professional yoga trainer. Now, martial art is has been my passion since ages. When I was in childhood, I used to train karates and other martial arts. Now I am training with these fighters, mixed martial art. So what I have realized that every martial artist, they have a problem. They face a problem which is stiffness in the body. They do a lot of hard work. The muscle get tired very easily. First round, second round, third round. In third round, they are literally tired, and when they go on ground, it is very difficult for them to get the control over the body. I found a bridge to connect at that point of time through yoga for a fighter. So now what happens in yoga, when you train yoga, you just don't think about your speed. You just concentrate on your breathing and your muscle. So you get to know your muscles very well. So in if you see that we have seen yoga postures like doing something, some upward down, or some very weird postures. If you see BJJ, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, or in mixed martial art, when the fighters go down in the ground, they are also facing the same kind of postures, but unknowingly. They don't know that what kind of postures they have to get in. So if the fighter is well trained in yoga, in that particular moment on the ground, that person is not fearful. So mostly, for an example, I'll take an example of armbar. So armbar is a submission. So the opponent is taking the armbar of the fighter. So if he is well aware about his joints and muscles and his breathing pattern, he will be able to sustain himself in that particular position and will be able to think. So in mixed martial art, it's very important. I mean, if you see that all the big fighters, there is a category. One, you fight well, and one, you think well inside the ring. So yoga makes the difference. The superior version of a fighter is possible through yoga only. So this is what I have experienced, and I am trying to give this input to the fighters who are there in Fit and Fight Club, and I'm very much confident about it. I'm working on this project since for last 2 years, and I have achieved a bit of success in this. Fighters who were not really thinking about yoga, these days they are coming up forward and they are asking कि सर थोड़ा सा सिखा दो, थोड़ा सा कर लेते हैं, कैसे होगा ये, and they are finding that these are the similar postures they are facing in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu or mixed martial art. So why not to strengthen it in a different way. So I think every mixed martial artist practice yoga. Yoga is not exercise. Yoga is self-awareness. So I'll take an example. If you have seen a tiger, so what it does before going for his prey, he is very slow. He walks very slow and he uses his core muscles. He is well aware about all the body part and muscle, and that's how you won't be able to listen to the walking noise. But when the time comes, he is the faster animal in the world. So this is the thing what yoga does to a fighter. It makes the fighter calm, controlled, and self-awareness is there. So these combinations actually helps him at the point of action. He will be very much faster. At the same time, he will have the self-control. So I think everyone who is practicing mixed martial art, they should do yoga.